Hello and welcome to English Bites. In this video, we are discussing the word gossip. Gossip has two syllables, and in British English, we pronounce it as gossip. 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 In American English, we pronounce it as gossip. 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 Gossip means talking about other people and their private matters, especially when it involves rumors or information that may not be true. It can involve discussing news, stories, or details, sometimes true and sometimes not true, about someone's matters or life. The example sentences are: Number 1. Sarah prefers to avoid gossip about others. Number 2. They gathered in the kitchen to share the gossip. Synonyms of gossip are whisper, rumor, chat. Antonyms are silence, respect, privacy. The first form is gossip, second form is gossiped, and the third form is gossiped. Common prepositions used with this word are about and of. The other prepositions are with and on. Thanks for watching.